Simba, you have to be very careful, you have to take long steps. I like to thank him and the other organizers for this training. Since I came to this job for the last 2 years, I think this is the largest and the most intensive class that we have had. I'd like to thank the people who have supported us financially, and I also like to thank the tutors from the Ministry of Finance, from the World Bank, and Justo. Thank you very much for providing the facilities of the university and your own personal participation in this training. I've been informed that the training went on very well. I'm told that most of you, almost all of you, think that you benefited, you learned a lot, you got something new. You also reported that you received a transfer of knowledge from the tutors, which is very good, the actual objective. Most of you are concerned about opportunities of further training, professional training in future. I keep saying that our work is brain intensive. Now we are going to start working on such a program so that those of you who are at the beginning and are interested in this can acquire better skills. This is, as Sati said, the beginning of your training. It is not the end of it. There's a lot more coming, and we need to do more. Training not only in audit practices, but also we have to redouble our steps. We have to make long steps to catch up with technology. Long steps when you say alive, so that we can catch up with modern technology. So we're going to interface technical training with technological advancements. And that is why when I spoke to you last time, my commitment of modernizing the audit chamber remains a must. It's a thing that we must do. Some of you say that the training was too short. My friend, you have to look into this. Maybe there are many options, models of doing things. You can do several short ones, or you can do a long stretch. And it appears to me that Simba and Sati chose to have several short ones interfaced, interlinked with field work, and I think that was their model. However, I expect them to talk to me more about that. 24 models in 24 days. 25 models in 24 days is very intense. I would agree. 24, that's one model a day. Perhaps we could have made it longer than that. But let us congratulate ourselves for getting here. Before I make my remarks that he asked me to do, tell you about the audit chamber, I would like to graduate you first.